Welcome to the CryptoNest. So for a moment, at mining, I honestly don't have a clear picture. I cannot count this as a 1, 2 because the 2 went lower than the origin of the wave 1. And I honestly, I don't know if, drop a comment if you see any structure here, but it's it's not an easy one. Maybe there is a hidden 1, 2 or somewhere that I cannot see. Maybe this is the 1 and this is the 2, a very shallow one, and this is the 3, 4, and this is the 5, and this could be already the A, and now we're doing A, B, C for the B, and then after that we're going to do the C or something like that. Clearly we're not making a, yeah, maybe this is beginning of a side triangle, something like that. I have no idea. It's and maybe price is going to do something like that. Those are the options, but for a moment what I can tell you is like it looks like price is has been rejected clearly. Here was, let me bring up the VRVP. I think I didn't do it for this time. Yeah, okay. So you can see that here we had a lot of volume, and here was the top, and this would have been the ultimum level where price would have been challenged, because after that you can see there isn't much resistance. So it means if we break this level, price it can really go higher. Let me take it out now. Okay, so this is what I'm looking for now. Also, let's go and check the RSI. Is the price depleted? Let's go on the 12 hours, give us a longer idea. So you can see stock RSI, it's overbought. Yeah, now, RSI can go higher, but I do believe that the stock RSI need to reset a little bit, and maybe, I don't mind if the RSI stays on the side or go slightly lower, and we can, reset a little bit things, and ready to power up for the next trend. Now the problem is you need to do quickly, while Bitcoin maybe it's really willing to push higher as well. Otherwise, we're going to have a problem of timing, and timing is everything. So it does make sense that maybe we could call this a 1, and allegedly now we're doing a 2. And yeah, we do have the MA200 here, almost a little bit higher than the 0.382 fib retracement. So this is what I'm looking for now. Price keep going lower, reach this level, sorry, and maybe look at this area after that if price can actually reverse. You wanted to say something else? What was it? What was it? Okay, yeah. So now for short term, I'm going to look and put maybe a trend line, and hopefully not changing it often. But until this trend line is not broken, I think it's going to act as a resistance and push the price lower. So let's see how it goes. Markets open in 6 minutes. So this is what, I'm going to pay attention at today. Also, some of my friends, they asked me, how about Mara? You never do any review on Mara. Okay, so let's look the bigger picture. Hot and compared to Mara, you can see that actually they're pretty much similar, is it? No, actually, Hot and Money, at least it did something more impulsive. Mara is still on a decline, so I could, let me steal this trend line here. I can easily do something like that, and you can see that actually, let me recycle the trend lines. Yeah, so you see it's doing something like this, right? So perhaps it's going to go there, and this is maybe is going to be another area where maybe we want to check, possibly price get rejected and go again, or it go and out and skyrocket. So But I can tell you that now this it will start to be a very uh, important downtrend line to check in the future. Also, you can see I did put a downtrend line here, and we're still challenging. And as you can see, unfortunately, it's using it as a support for a moment, which is not bad. But if you do that for an extended period of time, then it's not looking good. So now Mara really need to start to kick things and make it happen and skyrocket. Otherwise, yeah, it's going to continue to go lower. RSI is not bad, so yeah, I mean, let's go on the 12 hours. RSI is low, but you can see that stock RSI, it's already high. It's rare that the stock is going to skyrocket if the stock RSI is already overbought. As you can see, every time it skyrocket, uh, you know, stock RSI, it's not overbought. All right, so I'm expecting price to go still a little bit lower. The other thing not great is that if you have a longer picture here, we had this uptrend line and now we just broke it, so also not amazing. Now I was having this thing here because this should be the third wave, and allegedly, but you can see that it's not happening. So at the end, once again, this could be just an A, a B, and a C. And if that is the case, it means we're really working on the bigger B wave. So very possible that this, anyway, yeah, for the moment, it's not working at all. I didn't do it. I didn't do a study research, a deep one on Mara, but clearly this 1, 2, 3 now, I'm really not convinced at all, and I would go more with this A, B, and C. That to me it really make more sense now because of this side. Is there another way that I can say? Because honestly, here it's really an A, a B, and a C, an ABC. I'm just having a little bit of trouble to see a very clear three wave for this C wave. Actually, I should look for a 5 wave. So maybe this could be a 1, 2. This could be the 3, the 4, and the 5 to complete the wave C. And I would have 5 waves, and that would be working for me. And now this is the A, this is the B, and we could do something, I don't know, W, X, Y, and then so it's A, B, W, X, and then we do an A, a B, and now we're doing the C for the Y. So that also would make sense, which is not as great as, at least, Hot and Money, it did almost slightly or equalize almost the higher high, and we can count 5 way up. Now it did the retracement is too deep, right? Even though it's only a few candles, but still it does count, right? Let me go on the daily. Was it just a week? I don't think so. We did have yeah, the problem is like we had two full candles below the 0.786, so it make it a little bit unreliable. Yeah, now there is a case, yeah, sure, we did break out the downtrend, we're pushing higher, but structurally we don't have anything real clear for this impulsive, I shouldn't say impulsive, for this movement. And now we're going on the side, so let's see how it works. If it works out, now it just opened. Did it? Maybe not. We go in 1 minute. I guess that's just a dot, is it? What is that? Anyway, let me see if they really open or not yet. Oh yeah, okay. So continuation, we're starting back from where technically we finished Friday, and yeah, we will see. We will see how it goes. I believe they should go higher because Bitcoin, it was much higher, I believe, when no, was much lower when the stock closed. No, isn't it? Let's go and check it out. Or maybe I'm mistaken. I don't know. Where were we? Thursday, Friday. I don't know. We're about the same price. And actually now Bitcoin is going lower. So anyway, we never know. But this is what I'm looking forward now for Alten mining. Let's see if we are having already a deeper pullback, and then it's going to be interesting to see, well, first of all, if the market can give us a clear structure, and if we can hold maybe at the 0.382, which is coincide with the MA200. So this is the levels I'm looking for a moment, and also this downtrend if it's not broken. All right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.